Good morning, traders. This is Bloomberg First Read Audio for Wednesday, January 25th. In Asian trade, Japan gained 1.1%, Shanghai remained closed, and losses across the board in European markets led by 1% declines in both Italy and Spain. ECB said to remain opposed to lawsuits on its Greek debt holdings, while Portugal's 5-year note yield rose to a record 18.78%. U.S. dollar higher by 0.6%, euro is lower by 0.6%, gold futures lower by $10, crude futures lower by 80 cents, and the 10-year yield 2.04%. In deal news, Roche offers to acquire Lumina for $44.50 per share or $5.7 billion. And in U.S. markets, Dow futures lower by 46 points, S&P's lower by 4, Nasdaq futures higher by 15. On the economic front, at 10 o'clock, house price index estimate 0, pending home sales estimate month over month minus 1%. And at 12:30, FOMC rate decision estimate 0.25%. At 10:30, energy numbers, estimates for crude, 1,450,000. Distillates estimate, minus 125,000. And gasoline estimates, 2 million. After the bell last night regarding earnings, AMD Q4 revenue trails estimates. CA boosted year adjusted EPS forecast. Fusion.io Q2 gross margins decline. Yahoo Q4 adjusted EPS beat estimates, revenue missed. NVIDIA cut their Q4 revenue forecast. And Apple Q1 EPS and revenue beat estimates, Q2 forecast ahead of estimates. Regarding earnings this morning, Motorola Solutions Q1 EPS forecast missed estimates. General Dynamics Q4 revenue trails estimates. United Technology reaffirms 2012 EPS forecast, Q4 revenue missed. Corning Inline EPS. Rockwell Automation Q1 EPS beat estimates. Yahoo Xerox Q4 adjusted EPS in line. Textron sees 2012 revenue EPS above estimates. Praxair sees the year EPS and revenue below. WellPoint Q4 adjusted EPS missed. Boeing 2012 EPS forecast missed estimates. Occidental Q4 core EPS 202 estimate 196. Southern Company Q4 revenue missed estimates. ADP cuts the top end of EPS forecast. And Abbott Labs Q4 adjusted EPS beat estimates, revenue missed. Some of the calls to note this morning over at Bank of America, Regions Financial cut to neutral. Watson raised to buy. Zynga rated new outperformer at Baird, price target $12. Apple stays a top pick and sells estimates raised material at Bernstein. Over at Citigroup, Lam Research removed from most preferred stock at Citi. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley cut to neutral at JP Morgan. Over at Oppenheimer, McDonald's cut to perform. Starbucks raised to outperform. And finally over at UBS, Kimberly-Clark cut to neutral. And that's your first word morning call for Wednesday, January 25th, 2012.